Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Emily Cares. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just mentally exhausted, you're not alone. Stress is something we all face, but how we manage it makes all the difference. Today, we're talking about meditation, a powerful, science-backed tool to help you relax, refocus, and reconnect with yourself. So what exactly is meditation? Meditation is the practice of training your mind to focus and redirect thoughts. It's not about emptying your mind, it's about being present. You don't need to sit on a mountaintop or meditate for hours. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can improve your mental clarity and reduce stress levels. Let's start with the first technique, deep breathing meditation. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and inhale slowly through your nose. Hold it for 4 seconds, then exhale gently through your mouth. Do this 10 times. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural calm response. The second technique is mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath or your body. When your mind wanders, and it will gently bring it back to your breath. This technique improves awareness and teaches your brain to stay calm under pressure. Third on the list is mantra meditation. Choose a calming word or phrase like peace, relax, or even a spiritual mantra. Silently repeat it in your mind as you breathe in and out. This helps filter distractions and creates a calming rhythm. Fourth, try body scan meditation. Start at the top of your head and mentally scan down your body, paying attention to any areas of tension. This can help release tightness you didn't even realize you had, perfect for bedtime relaxation. And lastly, gratitude meditation. Focus on 3 things you're thankful for each day. This simple shift from stress to appreciation changes your mindset and reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone. So how often should you meditate? Start with just 5 minutes a day. Set a timer, find a quiet space, and stick with it. The more consistent you are, the more benefits you'll feel, including better sleep, emotional stability, and increased focus. Remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. That's part of the process. With practice, meditation becomes your inner sanctuary, a place to retreat to anytime life feels too heavy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Dr. Emily Cares for more science-backed wellness tips. Share your favorite way to manage stress. We're building a supportive community, and your voice matters. Until next time, stay calm, stay centered, and take care of your beautiful mind.